customtacticals.com here, and we're looking at another one of Kirby Lambert's custom folders. This one here is the Inferno. This is significantly different from most of the Infernos you're going to see on the market, primarily because I had him custom make this one kind of differently for me. It's a frame lock with a sort of a cutout here to give an impression of a bolster, and then a window here with black lip mother of pearl to dress it up a little bit. The back is mostly skeletonized, a little bit of a titanium backspacer there on the end, and one of Kirby's hollowed out clips that he used to do, doesn't do anymore, and frame lock right there. So Kirby's frame locks without the overlays are nice low profile knives that you can just tuck away and not feel. Great EDC knives. This one has great feel. Absolutely no wobble whatsoever here. Solid in between. Just such a well made knife, as all of Kirby's are. Titanium dual thumb studs here with black loop mother of pearl inlays to match the window. Why don't we take a little closer look at this one here. It's a pretty unique blade. I think Kirby made he's made a couple of folders for me that are very different from anything else that he's sold, and this is one of them. So I quite like this one. I carried this one for a little while. Thinking about getting it refurbished now because there's a bit of discoloration and some scuffing on the titanium here. So take a closer look at those thumb studs there. There's the drills. I think I might get him to bead blast this line here too. I'm not sure if I like that much anymore. The hand rub finish. Flat ground blade, since it's one of his older ones. The camera's going funny here. Hand rub flat ground. Old school Kirby. Tip up. Good lock engagement on this one. Pretty early on. Lots of room to wear, even though I've carried it for quite a while. He also wedged out the inside there and colored it. Zoom out here and take a look at the size of this one. It's just over 3.5 inch blade, and just about exactly 8.5 inches long overall. So good size knife, comparable in size to, say, large Sabenza actually. So Kirby Lambert Inferno, dressed up frame lock edition here. Hope you enjoy the review.